Hey guys, welcome back to another PS5 video. And if you have some vision impairment, one thing that could help, especially gaming wise, is by making it more contrast. So everything that is on screen, the colors will pop out more and then you'll be able to see more clearly. And this is how we do it. We're gonna go to settings up here. Then once you go to settings, we're gonna go to accessibility, and you'll see in a minute, it's gonna change. Then we're gonna go here to high contrast. It says adjust the colors of text and backgrounds to improve the clarity of things on the screen. This works only with some features. Go ahead and click that, and so then it automatically changes the contrast. So then before it's like light and light right here. So now you can see the words more clearly. But go ahead and go back, and then you can test it out yourself. You'll probably be able to see things better, especially in the daytime. If you're in the daytime playing, it's the sunlight will kind of make it difficult to see on some screens. So go ahead and try that out. If it helps, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.